Namaste and welcome to my channel. So in our today's video, we are going to see Bijli Mahadev temple. So this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is located at an altitude of 2460 meters, and this is like 24 kilometers from Kulu. So one can reach this trek point by booking any private vehicle, or you can also take Himachal bus transport. So if you book any private vehicle, you need to trek for almost 2 kilometers. If someone wants to go by bus, you need to do more trek, like 3 to 4 kilometers, because the bus stops a bit before the actual trek starting point. So after trekking for almost 3 to 4 hours, we have reached the altitude, the hilltop. So here is the entrance of the temple. So this temple is known for the lightning. In this temple of lightning, it is said that the tall staff attracts the divine blessing in the form of lightning. This lightning incident occurs once in every 12 years. So this is the main temple.
ऐसा हो जाता है। देव से पता नहीं कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं।
बहुत सारे त्रिशूल है इधर।
नहीं 12 साल में एक बार पूरा जालंधर असुर के वध से संबंधित है। दूसरे नाम से इसे गुलाम पीठ भी कहा जाता है।
So a panoramic view of Kulu and Parvati valleys can be seen from this hilltop. You can see all 360 degrees. You can see only the mountains, the beautiful Himalayas and all.
So as I said, we can reach the trek starting point by any private vehicle. You can book any private vehicle from Kulu or Manali, or you can come by government bus from Kulu bus stand. It costs us around 35 rupees per head. So we started in the morning and reached in just 1 hour. But coming by bus, you have one disadvantage, because it will stop way before than the actual trek point. So it will take a long kilometers of trek to reach the hilltop. So we almost trekked for 5 kilometers. It took us around 3 to 3.5 hours to reach the hilltop. So I recommend do not take the government bus in the afternoons, because you should have some time to trek and to spend some time on the hilltop. And the last bus from the uh, down point, the village, is 6 p.m. So if you will not reach by 6 p.m., then the transportation is a bit issue uh, mm, to reach Kulu or the down points. So yeah, someone can book rent bikes, or book a cab to reach the trek points. One can easily do the trek uh, in this trail. You can see how beautiful the views are. You can see beautiful mountains along your trail. So I recommend people to carry water bottles or any food stuff,